And this is John.
And we're with TPF, Trips, Places, and Fun.
Woo!
And since we like to travel and talk about traveling, we thought it would be fun to get a Universal Yums box. So universalyums.com. They have a monthly subscription box that they send to you with treats and goodies and snacks from somewhere in the world. So this Universal Yums box comes to us from the birthplace of Van Gogh.
And we think it's Italy, but we've got to be honest with you. We already did this video once.
We did. We did this video once and then realized it had been freezing the entire time. So now we have to do it over.
And so we already know all of these answers that we didn't know when we opened this box first. So when we first opened it, we thought this thing says the birthplace of Van Gogh. We thought that was Italy.
We were thinking Italy. We were wrong.
It's not Italy.
Do you know?
And look at this. We've got the flag. Amy thought it was because of the flag, and then they just changed the green stripe to blue.
I thought this was the Italian flag, only the green stripe was turned blue to match the Yum Yum box.
You don't do that with flags.
That's what I was thinking they did, but I was wrong. If you know where the birthplace of Van Gogh is, comment right now, and maybe you'll be right. We were wrong. It is not Italy, but we will open the box and see what it is.
What could it be?
What is it? It is the Netherlands.
The Netherlands.
Ta-da! And there is the flag. See, the flag from the Netherlands is that red, white, and blue. It looks very similar to the Italian flag, only it doesn't have green. It has blue.
So this is like a Dutch guidebook, and there was a trivia question. We want to read this to you. If you know the answer, comment below. True or false? Another name for the Netherlands is Holland.
So I think it's true, and John thinks it's false.
I think it's false.
If you know the answer, let us know.
And then one more says the city of Amsterdam is built on, multiple choice, boats, wooden poles, sand, or ancient ruins.
I'm going to say wooden poles.
I'm saying boats, just because that would be so cool.
I don't think that's true.
Probably not.
But we still have not found out the answers to these. I think they're probably in this guidebook somewhere, but we're not sure where.
By the way, while I'm looking at this gives you some discounts. Hey, I bet you could even use those if you want. But how much do we pay a month for this?
Well, this one I think was $16, but the longer your subscription, the cheaper it is per month. So,
okay.
All right,
let's go.
So we are going to start pulling out these foods and sampling them for you, even though honestly we've already sampled them once.
Now, I already sampled them once, and I'm already full.
Well, you get to sample them again. Okay, so these are called pinchachas. They are paprika, inspired by the swinging taste of Cuba. So we thought this was odd because it's inspired by Cuba.
It's like it couldn't be further away from Cuba.
But this is the Netherlands.
We're closer to Cuba than the Netherlands.
Yeah, so I guess people in the Netherlands like to eat these. So go ahead and give it a try. I can't eat anything
I
with
wonder
meat,
what this
so
tastes like. This is what it looks like.
And the first ingredient is corn grits. So if you look in this little pamphlet that they give you that's all about the Netherlands, they talk about the snacks. They give me the ingredients, which I cannot eat wheat. So this one has wheat, which is why he gets to sample.
And you have to look in there because on here, it's all in Dutch.
So yeah, it's not in English.
Says.
So luckily we have this little guide.
Is that what they speak? They speak Dutch? That's a language, right?
Yes.
See, one of these days, instead of the box coming to us, we're gonna go to where the box is from. So we'll go to the Netherlands and we'll.
Yes. So we need more subscribers in order to make the trips possible. So if you are watching this right now and you are not a subscriber, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so that one day we can actually travel to the places that the Yum Yum box come from.
You can make that possible.
Yes, you hold the power.
I didn't tell them if I liked this.
Do you like
that? So I like it. It's not something that I would eat a lot. I can't think of what it tastes like. It's not like a cheese puff. It's a little more of a stronger taste, a little bit.
It smells really familiar.
It does smell. I just can't place it. I can't.
Oh, it smells like those fries, those flavored fries.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's what it tastes.
And those aren't my favorite things. So those are good, but I wouldn't eat them.
The kids will eat them.
The kids will eat them.
Yeah. All right. So the next thing we have are
Cadillacs.
Cadillacs. This is what John was calling them the whole last segment when the first time we filmed this, until we realized it's supposed to be Cadillacs.
Cadillacs.
So it's Bosserutrode Cadillac. So they are like gummies or something like that.
Oops, they can't see your face. There you are.
So they're like gummy candies or fruit snacks or something. So we're gonna give these a try. I already know that I like the darker red.
Here, I'll let you
better.
have this one. I just want to show what it looks like. I don't want to do another one.
You don't want another Cadillac?
No, and there is a Cadillac right there. So Amy is gonna go ahead and try this.
Okay. So.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat it a whole lot. It's like a gummy, like a harder gummy.
To me, it tastes like jujubes.
Like you get at the movies.
Because it's not like a soft fruit snack. It's a very chewy fruit snack, like or Swedish fish, like jujubes or Swedish fish.
I've never had one.
Or something. You've never had a Swedish fish? Oh my word. Anyway.
Does that mean you're better
I like
than
them.
me?
Well, not because of that. Okay. Next thing, I'm gonna be trying Okay, we'll try these original cheese biscuits. These are Gouda flavored mini cheese Krispies. I can't.
They're called Ruka, and it's all broken up in the bag. I don't know if you can see that. See how it's all broken up in there. And these just taste like crackers.
Like cheese crackers.
And they're a little. I want to say humid. They're like they feel moist. Like there's
Oil?
Oil. That's right, yeah.
They're humid cheese crackers.
They're oily, and I would not eat these. Ah!
Oh, you would not.
Shoot, I
Okay,
just
well,
spilled them
hopefully
everywhere.
the kids will eat them.
Yeah, I won't eat those.
Okay. Next, and
And
I'm gonna try this one because we have not tried this.
I
yet.
tried something in here that is now gone. So this is a bag of chocolates, and
So-
I tried one that was a chocolate ball, and inside was what I don't remember.
This is one of these too.
It was so
Here
good.
it says in the
Oh,
Netherlands,
yeah, yeah.
the word praline is used to describe any chocolate with filling inside. So basically, all of them.
This is what I ate, Amy. Is this it?
Yes, the Dutch are
really
pros
good.
at making chocolate filled or not.
Hey, Ella,
And
do you want to be
control
on
the
our?
chocolate trade for over 200
You want to be on our
years.
TPF video? We need your help.
Okay.
Okay, come on over here. Maybe you can just kind of step right in front of me right here.
So
this
this-
is Ella. Wave, Ella.
This is a Dutch praline. Okay.
So I had one of these already. I can't eat more of these because they're fattening. But I want you to eat this. This is from the Netherlands.
For real?
This is from like far, far away. And so what I need you to
Another
do,
country.
this is so good. I already had one. Bite just half of it and eat it, and then we want to tell everybody if you like
What do you
it.
think of it?
Oh, this is different. It's got chocolate on the
different.
inside.
The other one had like a white cream, but it's still a praline because any chocolate that's filled is called a praline,
that
a
right?
Dutch praline. You like it?
So, is it good? So tell us what does it taste like?
Is it crispy?
Yeah, chocolatey.
Yeah.
You want
It's like chocolate.
Why don't you show everybody? Can you lift it up and show them the inside?
Um,
Yeah. So there's chocolate inside.
yeah, there's chocolate inside. It's like, so the outside is chocolate that's like crispy, and then the inside is like Nutella that like,
It tastes like Nutella?
Yeah.
Ooh, I love Nutella.
Do you want to eat the rest of it?
yeah.
Okay. Now this is
You want
a-
to stay here? Because we've got something else.
This is a Napoleon Zortwit.
Zortwit. That's
It
what I
is-
call you, Zortwit.
It is hard black licorice with a salty filling. Yes, it says salty licorice. It tastes as interesting as it sounds. That's what my book says.
Okay.
So this
So,
does
are
not
you gonna
have
eat it?
wheat. Well, it does not have wheat, so I can't eat it. But it's a hard candy.
So you're gonna
So
be.
I don't know how I'm gonna get to the salty filling.
How many licks of the Tootsie Pop before you get to remember that commercial? Mm-hmm. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah,
Is it any good? It doesn't sound good to me. I'm not a big licorice fan.
I'm not a big black licorice fan either.
I love it.
Give it to Ella.
Oh, no. But why don't you introduce the next thing?
The next thing
Well, I'm working on this.
is show it to me.
It's this.
Yep. And this is really good. And I'm gonna have Ella eat most of it. I might have one more bite. It's the Max and Alex Choco Stroop Waffle.
Well, I decided I don't like this.
You don't? No, you're stuck now. It's a
salty black licorice.
a thin waffle sandwich. Let's see. There's caramel and. All right, let's just go ahead and show it to them. There it is. That's what it comes in. And as you will notice, for the other video, I've already taken some bites out of it. It's really good. I'm gonna take one more bite and I'm gonna give the rest to Ella. Do you want the rest? It is so good.
That looks really good.
And I'm not in ketosis anymore. For all you keto people.
You gonna try it?
You can tell them what you think about it.
You don't know?
I don't know.
A thumbs up?
It's the best thing ever, isn't it?
It's like caramel.
Here, let's show them the
and,
inside.
It is chocolate covered spiced waffle cookie with caramel filling. That looks really good.
Yep. You want the rest?
Yeah. It tastes just like Twix.
It does. It does. Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah.
Yep. It does taste a lot like Twix.
All right. So that was our Yum Yum box for this month.
Did we show them the web address? Did we?
Yeah. So it's universalyums.com. So if you decide you want to sample,
Here, show it up real close here.
if you decide you want to sample snacks from different countries every month is the way to do it. I've had one of these before. I can't remember what country I did last one. Oh, it was Greece. I did Greece last time. I actually got like olives in a pouch of Greek olives and stuff like that. I liked it all right. It was odd, but I liked it all right. But it's really cool, even if you don't like all the things, just to see what kind of different stuff and what kind of different foods different countries have.
Hey, let's take this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna steal it from you. Eva, do you want to be on our show and try this yummy?
Here, come around to this side.
Come over to Mom's side. This is Eva. Eva likes chocolatey things too. So say hi to everybody. Can you wave?
All right.
So this is from the Netherlands, and it's like a chocolatey cookie. You want to try it?
And you tell us if you like it.
Yep.
What's this?
That's you guys are gonna be able to eat that. Is that she's giving a thumbs up?
Oh, you got a thumbs up? Is it yummy? All right,
So
thumbs up
good.
from Eva. All right, guys, so if you like this video, please give us
Give it
a
thumbs
up,
up.
subscribe, or ring that bell to be notified of future videos, and safe travels, everyone!
Bye.
Bye!
Eva's eating.